How to do affiliate marketing on YouTube. What is going on, my friend? If you're looking for exactly how to post incredibly simple videos, taking you no more than about 10 minutes, just start to make cold hard cash flooding into your bank account, promoting other people's products, you're in the right place. Now, just using what I'm about to share with you, I've been able to get almost 100,000 subscribers, and I've also been able to consistently get traffic. Now, you may see these videos and you may think, okay, this video only got 2,500 views. This one, not even 400 views. And you may think, okay, well, is he making any money because he's not getting thousands and millions of views? But I want to share with you why it doesn't really matter. If I go into my Stripe account right here, which is a place that I collect commissions, you can see that yesterday I was able to generate a $600 commission. Okay, now if I refresh this, you're going to be able to see that this is real cold hard cash that came in just using my videos. Now, the amazing thing about YouTube is you do not need a lot of views. Now, there's two ways to make money with YouTube, right? There's getting a massive amount of views, becoming very popular and famous, and doing like entertainment style videos, which you get paid when YouTube shows ads on your video. And then the other way is to promote products. Now, I've in many different cases have had 1,000 views on one video, but I sold a product in that video that paid me $2,000. So I often will make a lot more money than these quote unquote bigger YouTube channels because I'm selling products. So that's what I'm going to teach you exactly how to do inside of this video. Now, the very first thing is you need to decide on a niche. Now, if I go to my channel here, I am all about affiliate marketing, okay? It's very important when you do YouTube affiliate marketing is that you pick one specific topic for your entire channel. A lot of people, they go wrong because they'll post one video on health, one video on making money, and they're scattered all over the place, okay? So you want to be very specific on the type of niche you want to go in. Now, the top three that I recommend are either going to be health, wealth, or relationships. And with YouTube, because it can be kind of competitive if you go after these bigger, huge niches, I recommend you go after like sub niches. Okay, so I'm in the wealth niche, right? I'm in the make money online niche, but I'm in affiliate marketing. So that's even more specific. So then my videos can actually start to get more traction. Now, what you want to understand is a lot of these views, a lot of this traffic to your clicks, when you put the link in your description, which I'll share how to do a little bit later, a lot of it is going to come from ranking for keywords. Okay, most of my traffic, most of my videos are because I target specific keywords. You can see this one right here, affiliate marketing on TikTok. That was a specific key phrase that my target audience is typing in. So when I create a video on that topic, then I know people are going to find this video. Pinterest affiliate marketing for beginners 2024. That is a specific keyword people are targeting in. YouTube affiliate marketing, okay? Make $1,000 a day with ChatGPT. You can see that in almost all of my videos, the first part of the title, easiest ChatGPT side hustle, that was a keyword. I'm using a specific phrase, and then I'm adding, okay, some clickbait type stuff on the end of it. Most of my titles are like that because YouTube typically recommends the keyword that you want to rank for, you put it at the front, and then you add on, clickbait to the end of it. So for example, this one right here, if you can see this, okay, I did YouTube affiliate marketing, that is the keyword, and then I added secret method 100% autopilot. So that is the clickbait. That is what's going to get people interested, okay? But the YouTube affiliate marketing part, this part right here, is for YouTube to know where to put that video. Now, you may be thinking, okay, but how do I find these keywords, right? What's the best way? Well, I'm going to share with you an incredibly simple way that I've used for years to find out the exact type of keywords to make videos on. So what you can do is you can go to YouTube and you can just go into the search bar and you just start typing a couple words related to your niche. Now, like I said, we're going to be teaching in our videos. We're not really going to be entertaining. I mean, it's good if you're a little bit funny and a little bit, entertaining in your videos, but the main point is to teach valuable information relating to your niche, okay? Because that's going to attract prospects to us, and then what we can do is lead them to our affiliate offers, okay? Which, by the way, I'm going to have a link directly below. if you want to discover the exact product that I promoted that paid me instantly, that $600 commission, you can find out directly below. But that's what you want to do in your videos as well. You always want to be leading people to the link directly below. Okay, so what you can do is, because we do a lot of teaching videos, start with how to. Okay, how to, and then type in a few words after that have to do potentially with a problem your niche has. So let's say you're in the health niche and you niche down into the keto sub niche. Okay, so what you can do is how to keto. Okay, and if I move myself here, how to keto, you're going to see it starts to give us these drop down keywords. Okay, so how to keto. So I could even how to do the, okay, and you can start to see these are keywords that YouTube is showing us. Now, what you have to understand is the reason YouTube is showing us these keywords is because they are popular and they are getting searched a lot. YouTube is like, oh, you're probably looking for this because most people look for this. But what we can do as marketers is we can take this information and we can actually use this as our title and as the keyword we target on our videos. Okay, if this is making sense, click the like button because this is really simple and incredibly powerful. So you could literally just go how to do the keto diet for beginners. Okay, I can literally just take this title and make it the title of my YouTube video. Okay, how to do the keto diet for beginners. And then you could add some text at the end to make it more, again, clickbait, attention grabbing. So I could say how to do the keto diet for beginners, shocking information. Right? Or how to do the keto diet for beginners. Doctors don't want you to know this, right? Something like that where it's like mystery. You could do this, how to do the keto diet successfully. How to do a keto diet, the complete guide, okay? Now, if you run out of ideas, you can just, put it in. I could even just do keto, okay? And these are all topics for videos, keto diet, keto bread recipe, keto cookies. So then you can take one of these, like keto bread recipe, and you can see if it gives you any more. Because what I recommend is when you first start, you don't want to target what's called short tail keywords. Keywords that are like 3 words or less. This is incredibly competitive. You want to go after long tail keywords, so keywords that are longer. Okay, so I recommend at least 5 words. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. So keto bread recipes with almond flour, and then again at the end of it, you could add, number 4 will shock you, right? Something like that. This one right here, right? So you could use all of this. Now we want to use this not only as the title, but you want to also put it a few times in your description of your video, which is just the text under the video. And you also want to use this as the tags. So when you go to upload a video, you can use these as the tags of your video. And again, you can see I really do this all the time, okay? You can see that, pretty much all of these are targeting keywords. Okay, affiliate marketing 2023, how to make money on Pinterest. You can see right here, if I go here, how to make money on Pinterest. Okay, so I saw this keyword, I just did a video. Now, how do you actually know what to teach in the video? Like maybe you don't know the best almond recipes. Well, you can literally just go to Google and you could search in, best keto recipes with almond flour. And you could just read some articles and just kind of curate different people's articles in your own video. You could also look this up here, like best keto diet with almond, almond, don't even flour, I think what it was, I don't even remember. But let's say it was this, right? You can literally just search that in, watch a couple of your competitors, watch a couple of the other people that are doing well, kind of gather that information and just put it into your own words in a video. Okay, so that's another way where you can quickly and easily get the content for the video. And again, you just want to shoot a simple video. Now, I want to share with you this. You may be wondering, how am I doing these, screen share videos very easily? Well, you can actually use Loom. Okay, if you don't know what this is a free screen recorder where you can show your webcam. And this is actually what I'm using right now. It's cool because they have different sizes and you can move yourself around. Ooh. Right? So you can kind of move yourself around and you can make it, I could even go like this, full screen, okay? So Loom is incredibly powerful because what happens is you can just go ahead and record your video, show your screen explaining things, And then when it saves, it will automatically save to Loom your accounts, and then you can download it and upload it to YouTube. Okay, so Loom is incredibly simple, and again, it takes just like 10 minutes. Just record about 10 minutes explaining, and then at the end of your video, you want to give what's called a call to action. This is telling people to go to the link below. And then when you upload that video, in the description, which I'll share with you what the description is, it's just the box under this video, this right here, okay, as it loads, you want to put in your affiliate link, okay, because you want to get people to go to that link. This right here is the description, okay? So you would put your link at the top, and then you would basically tell people to go to it in the video, okay? And I do that all the time. So again, you would put your link somewhere here, and then they'll actually go to it if they're interested. So an example of a call to action, again, for me would be, hey, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to, do affiliate marketing on YouTube, how to do a keto diet with almond flour. If you want to learn more, be sure you click the link directly below and check that information, right? Something like that, and that's a call to action. Now, the last thing I want to share with you in this video is how to actually quickly create a good thumbnail, okay? Because the thumbnail is very important when you want a lot of people to click your video. You can just go to a free site called 𝐏𝐶NVA.com. Okay, you just go to 𝐏𝐶NVA.com, you sign up, and then once you're logged in, we just want to go to create a design, okay, or you can go here and do YouTube thumbnail. And what happens is you can literally just click here, and it will take you to creating a YouTube thumbnail, okay, which is really cool because you can just use Canva for free to create thumbnails. So one thing I like to do is I like to click here, and then you can actually change the background color to whatever you want. Let's say green, okay? You can have a photo, right? I just have a photo of myself right here, okay? You can just take a photo with your smartphone, and then you can just add some text, okay? So I can click on text here, okay? Let me click here, boom, add a heading. And I can go ahead and move this here, and then whatever the title is, so I can say, make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube. Something like that, something related to the title of the video. Now, to make this even better, and you can make this bigger, right? And I can spend more time on this, but to make this even better, you could actually add the clickbait text on the thumbnail, right? So I could say, 10-minute method reveals shocking way to make $300 plus per day. Okay, something like this, right? And then when they click the video, it goes into you teaching. So this is incredibly simple. I really hope you got value on how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube. Like I said, very simple. Go through this a couple times if you need to, and just stay consistent. I recommend doing at least 2 videos a week. Target those long tail keywords, teach value, and then at the end, give a call to action, which I will do right now. If you like this video, be sure to like the video. And also, if you want to discover exactly what I use to get paid instantly, this 100% commission, $600 payment, click the first link directly below and check that out right now. I really think you're going to like that. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.